Hi, Lochie from Roberts Launceston, and today we welcome you to the village of Lulworth. Renowned for its relaxed lifestyle and surfing, this property is a mere 40-minute drive from the Launceston CBD. Come with me as we show you through 59 Hurst Street. The entry to the home flows into the kitchen and dining area. Its distinctive seaside style opening into the sun-filled and tranquil lounge, including 2 double-sized bedrooms, both with built-in robes and an additional loft storage, internal laundry and bathroom all freshly painted and new flooring as well. With boundless sea views, the home sits amongst established trees, has a double carport and garage complete with workshop and under storage. The property is set on a tiered 798 square metre allotment and has the ability of additional dwellings being permitted subject to council approval with dual access from 2 street frontages. Lulworth offers Claim Cove Beach, recreation fishing, walking tracks and close proximity to Tamashanda Golf Course, a tightly held northern Tasmanian locality with desirable surf, private beaches, boat ramp and all your coastal leisure at your fingertips. We invite you to contact us today to arrange an inspection so you too can enjoy these 180-degree views and relaxed lifestyle that Lulworth provides.